Are you browsing for homes with no pre-approval? Let me explain why that can be problematic. A lot of the times you're just looking on Zillow, Realtor.com, just out of curiosity, but no one who's on Zillow or Realtor.com is looking without a plan to move at some point. So every once in a while, we'll run into a person who's browsing and finds the home of their dreams. And now they're like, oh my God, I actually want this house. And they scramble and they reach out to their realtor or an agent that they were thinking about working with. And they're like, hey, I want to make an offer on this house. What do I need to do? You needed to have a pre-approval before you found this home. The reason why that matters is because if you find your dream home, most times the offers are due on Monday. So we agents are getting calls on Saturday or Sunday evenings, and it's not impossible. I actually got my friend pre-approved yesterday within an hour, but it's not the way you want to do it. You want your purchase to be a calm, smooth process, and it works best when you plan ahead. So if you're browsing online, take the time to speak with a lender and see what you qualify for. That way you're browsing within your price point and you have a better chance of getting the home when you're ready to make an offer.